6 best herbal teas for kidney repair. Are you ready to discover the natural secrets to kidney health? Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where your well-being is our top priority. Today, we're brewing something extraordinary for your kidneys. As vital organs, kidneys play a crucial role in our body, filtering waste and balancing fluids. But what happens when they need a little extra care? That's where we come in with nature's own solution. In this video, we'll explore 6 herbal teas that are not just soothing and delicious, but are also packed with properties to support and repair your kidneys. So, get your teacups ready as we embark on this flavorful journey to kidney health. Don't forget, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more transformative health content. Let's unveil the 6 herbal teas that are not just a delight to sip, but also a blessing for your kidneys. Each one is special, so make sure you don't miss any. First up is ginger tea, a true marvel in the world of herbal teas. This zesty brew isn't just a pleasure for your palate, it's a powerhouse for your kidney health. Research, especially involving kidney disease patients, has revealed ginger's impressive potential in boosting renal function. This is largely due to its rich array of bioactive compounds and nutrients, beneficial for both the brain and the body. The key ingredient, gingerol, is renowned for its potent medicinal properties, particularly in fighting inflammation and supporting kidney health. For the perfect cup of ginger tea, use fresh ginger root. Slice a small piece, steep it in boiling water for about 10 minutes, and enjoy. Add a dash of honey or lemon for an extra kick. Regularly drinking ginger tea can be transformative for your kidneys. It helps in detoxifying, reducing inflammation, and enhancing overall renal function. From the spicy zest of ginger tea, we move to another herbal classic. Up next, discover the wonders of Nettle Leaf Tea. Here's a secret weapon for your kidneys you'll wish you knew earlier. Nettle Leaf Tea. This isn't just any tea. It's a traditional remedy reimagined for today's health-conscious world. Nettle leaves are celebrated for their anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties, making them a stellar choice for your kidney health. This herbal tea acts as a natural detoxifier, aiding in flushing out toxins, enhancing urinary flow, and soothing inflammation, all essential for kidney vitality. Embrace the full benefits of nettle leaf tea using dried nettle leaves. Steep them in hot water for about 10 minutes, then strain. This tea's earthy and slightly bitter taste is a testament to its natural healing powers. Especially for those battling chronic kidney issues, nettle leaf tea is a game changer. It's known for lowering creatinine levels and bolstering kidney function, making it an invaluable addition to your health regimen. As we revel in the earthy goodness of nettle leaf tea, let's turn our attention to a global favorite that's as beneficial as it is popular. Up next, discover the kidney-enhancing wonders of green tea. Prepare to be amazed by our next tea, the ever-popular green tea. This isn't just your regular cup of tea. It's a treasure trove of antioxidants. These powerful compounds are crucial for heart health and play a significant role in kidney repair. They combat harmful free radicals, providing a protective shield for your kidneys. Perfecting green tea is an art. Steep the leaves in a tea bag in hot water for a mere 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, oversteeping can lead to bitterness, so keep it brief for the best flavor. Drinking green tea regularly is a simple yet powerful way to boost your kidney health function. It's known for its ability to reduce the risk of kidney stones and enhance overall health. Each sip is not just a delightful experience, but also a step towards better kidney health. With the refreshing taste of green tea still lingering, let's explore another herbal gem that's as soothing as it is beneficial. You may not have heard of this powerhouse of a tea, but next up is Horsetail Tea. let's unveil a hidden treasure in herbal teas, Horsetail Tea. As our fourth contender, it might not be a household name, but its benefits for kidney health are undeniably impressive. Rich in antioxidants, Horsetail Tea is a natural remedy for fluid retention, a crucial aspect for maintaining healthy kidneys. To experience the full benefits of Horsetail Tea, steep dried horsetail in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. After straining, you'll have a mildly diuretic tea that's both refreshing and beneficial. Horsetail tea stands out as a natural detoxifier for the kidneys. It's effective in reducing fluid retention, improving urinary tract health, and aiding in the overall maintenance of kidney function. Incorporating this tea into your routine can be a significant step towards better kidney health. After delving into the unique properties of Horsetail Tea, let's transition to another herbal powerhouse. Coming up next is Dandelion Tea, a natural cleanser for your kidneys. Continuing our herbal journey, we arrive at Dandelion Tea, our fifth essential tea. Far more than a simple garden weed, this plant is a powerhouse of health benefits. As a natural diuretic rich in antioxidants, Dandelion Tea is excellent for cleansing the kidneys and enhancing their function. To create a potent and healthful cup, use dried dandelion leaves or roots. Steep them in hot water for about 10 minutes. This process yields a tea that's not only flavorful, but also packed with health benefits. Dandelion tea is a formidable ally for kidney health. It helps in flushing out toxins, reducing inflammation, and improving urinary health. Regular consumption can contribute significantly to your kidneys' well-being and your overall health. With the detoxifying effects of dandelion tea still in mind, let's move to our final and most soothing tea. Prepare to be charmed by the calming and kidney-friendly benefits of chamomile tea. Finally, we introduce the most soothing tea. Renowned for its calming effects, this tea is a beloved nighttime beverage. But its benefits extend far beyond just promoting relaxation. Chamomile tea is also a valuable ally for kidney health. Brewing chamomile tea is a simple yet rewarding process. Steep chamomile flowers or a tea bag in hot water for about 5 minutes. This gentle infusion is not only aromatic, but packed with health benefits. Regularly enjoying chamomile tea can be a significant boon for your kidneys. It aids in reducing stress-induced kidney issues, improves sleep quality, and supports overall kidney health. It's the perfect tea to conclude our list, offering a holistic approach to health and well-being. As we conclude our exploration of these 6 remarkable herbal teas, let's reflect on their individual strengths in supporting and rejuvenating your kidneys. From the zesty kick of ginger tea to the serene embrace of chamomile tea, each of these natural brews play a vital role in fostering kidney health. We encourage you to incorporate these gifts from nature into your daily regimen and experience the positive changes in your kidney health. Thank you for embarking on this enlightening journey with us. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more insightful content, and feel free to share your own experiences with these teas in the comments below. Here's to a healthier, happier you. Please note that the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as a medical advice. While herbal teas can offer health benefits, they should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new dietary supplement, especially if you have pre-existing health condition or are taking medication. The effects of herbal teas can vary from person to person, and what works for one individual may not work for another. The content shared with the aim of providing information and encouraging healthy lifestyle choices, not as a prescription for specific health issues.